bite the bone, bite with juice. Bite the bone, I'm gonna taste the juice that spring on.
Yeah, look, big up yourself, man. Yeah, man, we're good, man. We are all together. We're not thief, nothing. And if we are thief, you're not sick.
If you think about for real, if you take care of my people, them, and maintain. Never take up a woman now we have them. A good powder and can't you?
So, care about when you do your body, I have them.
Tell me where you're up to. Yeah, yeah. Where you up to?
Alright guys, so guys, basically this is a pickup from the last vlog. So the last vlog, when I really see me I do an intro in that shirt and telling about my grandmother's 99. So it's technically the same day. Some of just like a content of the vlog. It's not a next day with me in the same shirt. It's actually the same day, but I'm continuing a different vlog in this outfit. So today we are going on the road. We're going on the road now. We are going to New Kingston style. Now I really say what me I do work. Me I go some business, right? After that, I should be linking up with Crabber Genius, yeah, the big bad producer. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. Yeah, one more year pandemic. But we should be linking up today to see about some music projects. So after I leave New Kingston, I go check in back with the know and make gonna know what is going to be my next move. I'm gonna keep on updated and make gonna know what going. Alright, so just stay tuned. I don't know the girl Alicia Amor. We say pretty badness outside. Even though right now we are grief, guys, remember we still have to keep it going, and me I try to find the light at the end of the tunnel right now. So thank you guys for sticking and staying with me. Make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also please remember I am doing a giveaway at 10,000 subscribers. As much as I don't know if it's going to be a physical thing or if it is going to be cash. So please make sure to subscribe on the video so that we can reach the 10k so that we can do a giveaway for my subscribers then. Alright, just to show my appreciation of you guys and how you've supported me on this journey. And trust me, I know someone wanna comment from I just start YouTube, and even though I struggle with consistencies, una still there with me. As I post a video, I guarantee for soon I'll comment, and that's what I'm looking for when I'm choosing a winner. I'm also looking for familiar names. So guys, when I get with it, please like nice things. I'm not gonna give no dibby nothing, because I know enough big people are watch me. So please make sure to comment so I can get used to the name them from now. So when me I pick the subscriber to give them the gift or the giveaway, I know so genuinely I pick somebody where genuinely support me and not just a random person who just come from a video because them sister me I do a giveaway and them want win. I'm going to choose someone that I consider a supportive person. So for me, you know, say you watch my video them, you definitely most likely have to leave a comment for me to see that you are supportive. You have to constantly a comment on the video them. If you wouldn't mind being that giveaway winner, make sure someone start comment, because when I say someone will watch the video, guys, I want to do really comment, but you know, watch it and I might like, but I can't really see you specifically that you're showing that support if you don't comment. Comment is what really show us that you are supporting in terms of making it known. Someone wants to the comments them on the video them, so I can confidently choose a supportive winner. Alright, so I'm gonna big up on yourself, like, comment, share, subscribe. Support is free, especially for YouTube. To tap the like button, for comment, to subscribe, it's free, it is at no charge. So if you wanna really support me and I really want to see the thing grow, I really want to see that. Alright, go and big up on yourself, go and stay tuned to the vlog, we soon come back. I'm corporate girl today. I have a Zara shirt. You know how long I have that shirt, I want to wear it and not wear it. I rock it with my liquor bag, which has been conveniently being worn these days. I don't know why. And then of course I have on a little jeans and my slippers, and I can't see it. And I can't but go pin up nothing right now for see that. But thank you so much for watching. Bye. Guys, we're currently in Mega Mart. I don't really come in here for much, you know. Guys, most of the machine them stick on the road, kind of full. some kind of day in the Mega Mart to try use the machine. But while I'm at it, I go get some food because I am super hungry. And some fast food me that work with are some Chinese food. But
Golden Dragon that's where they are from.
Golden Dragon that I don't mess up. That's one that sounds weird. Eh? No, I like Golden Dragon Chinese food. So guys, that we really agree. You know, I'm not coming and Mega Mart. I don't know, we're not going to eat Mega Cafe food. I haven't ate it in a minute. But I wonder if I can buy it now and if I buy it, I like it. Normally, I don't like Bobby fried chicken from people. But normally, when I buy them Bobby fry, it's always nice. And most people Bobby fry always nasty. But as I say, a long time, I don't really eat from them. So I don't really know if it's still good. I'm going to try to see if I can. I'm going to look on it before I come out. I'm going to look on it. Alright, I'm still linking up back there. Guys, so we just get something from the Mega Cafe a long time. As we said, a long time I don't eat no food from Mega Cafe. So, see there? This is going to be something. As a dragon restaurant, Chinese really one, but guys, we are hungry, me can't wait. So, come back, I used to work up there. Come back, I used to work up at the you got to all the way past them with the red shirt. Yeah. Your boss used to work up here? Up here, sir? That's good. Alright, guys, so we get the food. And we're going to seal. And we're going to be moving. We're going to hold on the juice, drop under the car. Don't crush my drink. Alright, guys, so we're going to go home and bam down this. I'm going to tell you how it tastes. Because thank you guys, me not eat Mega Mart food. Of course, I know some me get fried chicken because it's when I don't sure about one restaurant, let me telling you something. When you're not sure about a restaurant, don't go add no curry and no pork.
No poop, no poop.
No, yeah, no add none of them crazy something. They just work with some fried chicken because you know say somebody can fry a piece of chicken.
Maybe you can eat the oxtail.
In a some?
Yeah.
Me never try it.
No man, this if you can eat the chicken, you can
probably try the oxtail because they have fry it and cook it down.
Try the pork last when you eat the
and the curry. Try the curry last.
Yeah.
Try the curry and the pork last. Yeah. I always try the fried chicken first. I always do the fried chicken. If your sister the fried chicken fry out nice and mellow, you can probably try something else. But don't go for them things at first. Especially when you're not hungry. And look for the blood them and yeah. I don't know the thing.
Not raw steam.
Not the steam.
That's when they drop chicken and be a seasoned steam if you smell.
When me used to work at the call center, Mega Mart used to be up there and me never liked the food.
No, I pluck them.
It does them give a whole heap like Chinese restaurant, but me don't want to say pluck, you know, it just never look presentable.
Exactly, because
but I always notice though say when you go in at the actual Mega Cafe inside of the supermarket and buy the food, it have a different taste. It always have a better taste. But when they're cooking for, I don't know, whenever I do the catering, I guess for the call center, me never like the food.
I think whenever cater move, anytime food travel,
yeah, whenever I go cooking at
take away that aroma.
The element. I'm so calling up back, alright? I'm ready. So guys, see the food there. Rice and peas and blah blah blah. I wanna see it. I just chicken because I'm telling you already. If I go buy food from people that I never eat from them before, I always try the chicken. So make us see what I go on. Seafood there guys. And I don't like to eat in my bed. But on a limited right now with my home, I go on a limit. Limit. Yes, I like to me I catch and show now I go on. This is the food. You know. Oh! So I'm gonna like cat food in my room. Anyway, this is from Mega Cafe. As I say, I go my hand them wash, no, don't worry. I wash my hand. And don't tell her and I go good and review. But they tell her to give me a fried dumpling and she give me the fried dumpling and I'm not tell a lie. For the hour when I buy the food, because it's now after 12. And I feel like say when you cook fried dumpling sometime as you go through the day it get tough. I'm going to tell her say my biting on the fried dumpling, you know. My biting on the fried dumpling and it's so soft. Let me show you. Look, See there? Sure. No rock stone. No rock stone. I taste rice and peas. Mega Cafe is in Mega Mart, guys. If you never eat here before, you don't know what I'm talking about. Taste the rice and peas. Taste it again with some gravy. Tastes fresh. It tastes home cooked. It tastes home cooked like when you cook your Sunday dinner. Yeah, I can taste the coconut milk or the coconut powder. I'm gonna tell them to put fish gravy on it. So the rice, rice fresh. That's one thing I look forward to with food. Yeah, sometimes you go buy rice, some people it tough and it just taste like them just at it up from yesterday. This not taste so. Taste the vegetable, even though you know vegetable are regular thing. Fresh. I'm gonna taste the meat now. Get a leg. Now I'll give the fried chicken bite the bone. Alright, the bone bite with juice. Bite the bone, I'm gonna taste the juice that spring on. Alright. I'm gonna rate the fried chicken a 6.5 out of 10. Alright, I'm gonna tell you why I'm gonna rate the fried chicken a 6.5. One, it's not as hot as I would have wanted it to be. And at 12 o'clock now, some of just believe that the fried chicken should have did serve hot. It's not as hot. May I taste the flavor? It not oily, it not taste greasy to me. Because if you can see. No, I just think something missing. But no, when I eat fried chicken, I like when it crunch. So I don't know if I that missing from it. But I'm going to give it a 6.5. The rice, I'm going to give the rice a solid 8.5. And the fried dumpling, I'm going to give the fried dumpling. I give the fried dumpling a 9 out of 10 because it's not oily, it's soft. Everything about the fried dumpling is just right. Me, could I take 2 more of them dumpling there and mash it up with some nice ackee and saltfish. Fried dumpling bad. Chicken 6.5, rice 8.5. That's it. So overall, me that give the food a 7. It can work. It's not too bad. It's eatable. If you pass through Mega Mart, guys, and feel like you don't want to stop at Mega Cafe and check out something, and them have a wide selection of stuff at a reasonable cost. Them have sandwiches, because of course it's a cafe, so they're going to sell the cafe things them as well, cookies and all of that, cake, pastries, stuff like that. So Mega Cafe. Anyway guys, I'm going to finish bam down this, and then I'm going to call you back later when I find out what my next move is going to be. Bye. Alright guys, I'm ready again to go up on the road. Basically, I'm going to do a change my shirt. I still have on the same, I change my shirt, I still have on the same jeans, as you can see. Same jeans, and I change my slippers. Because I can see, I dip on the road this morning. I get ready when I go a while ago. It's just basically like an hour, 2 hours max. I did it. So I come in, I review the food as I see, and right away I call Crabber and him say in there at the studio, so we have to pull up at the studio. So the next time I'm gonna see it, we are going to be in the studio with Crabber. Alright, so I'm gonna go and stay true. Alright guys, so we're link up with Crabber still there.
Oh, go on, we're there. They say, big vlogger on there.
A long time when I went to Crabber, you know, active up.
Come in here to buy things. Yeah, look, tell you right. Big up yourself, man. No man, we're good man, we are all together. We're not thief nothing. And if we are thief, you're not sick.
Oh, you don't have it? No. Okay, that's right. We're helping him to find some electronics. And then we are going to go back in. Yeah, we are helping him find some electronics. And then we are going to go back. Better already try this, so you know.
Yes.
Yeah. Better you try what's new. Okay.
USB-C to H1 jack. Not especially for Apple, but different mount.
Soul coming back. Me not like how you I smell like fabulous. No, fabulous and bad man.
And dirty man.
Fabulous and bad man. Me not the little one. Come on. I smell look for the ring like that, boy. I like little one and I remember tell the small ring like, but I had a ring like already a fashion, you know. But too long it has to take me feel like more and buy one next one right now. But I have the small ones. I'm not going to look. I have camera for no one, camera for that.
Is it a water? Is it?
And the girl, the man, it's
Guys, see over there? Big yard studio. This is legendary.
no water never there. 2 man here, no water.
No water, so we just build.
Yeah man, yeah, so
Is that a vlog?
okay.
The water don't come out.
Yeah man, them man a kananga man, them man a pissing a girl one. Right true.
Raw.
Yeah man.
I don't like condom.
Yeah man, them
I don't like
them man
condom.
full of pitney. Whole heap
How
of
much
pitney.
did you have?
13 strong. 9 boy, 4 girl.
That's not too bad. That's
That's
coming
some more.
for your granny.
There's some more than me man. Me young enough.
That, but for your about 20 more, 20 hours.
18 now with my father get out.
18?
And my uncle get 23. I warm up man. You know reach out.
Ladies, make sure when you see when you take cash. if not play my warm up, so you know how to fire him go boss. All of them.
All of them want.
21.
I never left the ball room with my father. I never go around. That's one man who take care of himself. So if you don't know to take care of your blood clots and for you take care of yourself, you leave me alone. That's why I don't go stiff breast, I go long breast and stretch mark. Not to go for stiff breast, you know.
You don't go for dolly body.
Long breast and stretch mark. You don't want no dolly because you have to can cook, wash and clean.
So dolly can't cook.
Dolly can't cook. That's how dolly nail long.
That's not true.
But what do with dolly?
Some
Look
dolly
for me
can't
nail
cook.
them. What me I do with dolly? After that time in the earth, I'll come back when I go on what real man. And then get about them and do breast and do batik. Hey, go away, I don't want a Dr. Bill. Dr. Bill, me call him, you know.
They're so sick. They're so sick. I have a cast him.
I mean, Dr. Bill then. What I do with Dr. Bill? Me a young boy now. We have our think about for work to take care of my people them. And maintain. Never take up a woman now we have them. Good powder and can't chip in.
So care about when you do your body, I have them.
Me like real woman, if your belly big,
Yeah, the
Can't work on it. Can't work on it. Can't run go up the hill.
Like my one. Can't run go.
Can't run go up the hill. Yeah? And fuck have something we can take you down.
Yeah.
The man, the bush doctor, them have something that can flap me out.
Sure.
When you hear them talk about my belly big, you know, so my belly sexy, you know.
yeah.
Sexy
What them
rat.
something they will do.
Alright guys, so telling now we're depend already for the day with their studio. We're actually there with Krabba and we don't know if I'm not sure if we're gonna do any work, but let's see how the day goes. Hopefully we will. I gotta do one TikTok guys, cause I thought well I'm gonna make this myself while I'm there. I have one big yard. I have one big yard stand down there, so I go see if I can set up my phone somewhere and do one TikTok content. I don't know how I gonna get for sure on that. I'm gonna try, I'm soon come back. Alright guys, so we're hanging with Tony today and we're at the studio. We're gonna do some say hi Tony.
Hello.
Not tonight yet. Yeah. So the last time we were there one studio and now we are pick up back at another studio. We're gonna link up and do some work in another studio here today. So now I'm gonna get to vibe with we and see a little bit of what come down. You want the water?
Yes, please. Go on there.
You might need it, yeah.
Yummy killer.
Hello? You see him? Yeah. Alright, so this is the vibe. No, we're not come out in a bagger today. Yes, we look regular. Easy going clothes, isn't it? Good to see you, good to see you. Fat door. You can't wait. Yeah, you good.
What's your step?
I got glasses on here for the ticket out. Alright, see you guys. They up on the pull up, on the pull up, on the pull up. Alright. You have the thing then, Tony?
The what?
The reading man thing?
No, we never send it to you.
So why you haven't sent it to me? Why you couldn't send it?
It's just the copy.
I'll
Then
send it to
we're
you.
gonna
Come
send the
for send
files.
to you. Your
We'll send the
email?
files to the. We'll send the files to the.
Right, I'm showing on the studio. Hello. Hi. Frighten me, no?
This is there.
Huh?
This is there.
Hi, Dave. Nice to meet you. Amor, yeah.
Go and beat that drum there.
Okay, kind of live session. Just bring the musicians, and you just pay for the time and do it. You can play drum solo?
We used to play drum at church
Really?
when we did our youth.
That's dumb. I can't play a song. I got it. Let's do it again.
Are you in the video?
Not bad. I have a little use. I have a little use. I have a little use. guys. I have everything. Okay. I'm the person playing. Play it again so you can see. I'm the person playing. Look at me play, okay? Look at me play. At least I can do something.
When you just see it, yeah. When you see the flipping, that's the picture as well. Yeah. I get a budget of music. From the way I just stick with the food. You got a car, right? Yeah. Go. I am, but I don't.
See, I got some skills. Can you play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? It's a long time.
Yeah, I know. I saw my brethren. Yeah, man, that's your friend, man. No, that's your from years, man. From when EX1. Sick one. You know when the future, yeah. And then up on the first man.
I'm over it. I did the best that I can. I did the best that I can, guys. Y'all see it firsthand. Y'all saw me play this piano. Y'all can never say I ain't got no music skills. Y'all can never say I don't play an instrument. I played that instrument for you. Let me show you my bit. Huh? He ain't ready. He's setting up. Yeah. So guys, we just done mash up that one day. Feel like I could have do 10 more. We don't know it already. But from one to the next. Yeah. That's it. Okay? Period. I don't mean make it now. I don't mean make it over the accent. Fuck up. Bitches. hit that. We are done. On to the next movement now. Where's the super there?
That is interactive.
Kingston, I just get the email. Kingston Elite Studio with there now. Guys, remember if you don't want, if you're not an artist or not watch this or not want to book on a session, look on the website. Where website go?
Kingston Elite. KingstonElite.com.
Tell them now.
KingstonElite.com.
Go.
Book for mixing, mastering, rhythm, anything.
And in a bad
If you want, just book the studio for use your personal purpose. We have both studios, A and B. Band rehearsal if you want anything.
So you band around here, you carry the musician, them pay for the time, and I get it done. It's a nice studio, as you can see. Everything there, everything is here. Now waterfall, you can get it too. All of the nice big things then, alright? So I'm going to see the picture, then I'm going to see a day by artist, DJ Mac Valiant, One Spice Official, Popcorn, Bob Marley, Javinci, Shensia, Uda Sizzler, Coffee, Capitan, Staff, Ashley, a peer great artist come up here, and Alicia Amor just enter the chat. My picture not go up yet. Next week, then I'll go. Next week, guys. So, guys, I ended up at the pub because on my way I saw my friends Tita and Tash Jelly. So now I'm at the pub and I'm gonna have a drink and something to eat. Hello, you look nice. Good afternoon. I like to tell people that. No, I didn't think anything at all. Nothing at all.
Preaching on care.
You have a seat at charger?
Charge it down for this.
No, I'm not happy. And this is the pub. They also have a little seating area out here. I guess this is if you want to dine. And the umbrella's not up yet, so yeah. Chef's Secret Burger. What's chicken of the sea? What's chicken of the sea?
Chicken of the sea. Fish chicken. I want to know which chicken it is.
Of the sea? I have no clue what that is. Okay, I guess it's just burgers.
So all time slam man with you know, you only come bust around a long time. Until when I said,
Somebody yesterday, I say, notice that my mother, that's the only thing that never give me. Look at bottom. What I like the phone.
can we have something with that help?
Oh, no. I want that mood there, the dark mood, but it's alright. Oh, yeah, you could have it. It's bright, so it's nice and it's bright. Yum, 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 yum. It's hot.
Tastes good?
It's hot. And the cold on it there is also. It's still hot.
Excuse me.
It's hot, guys.
Good afternoon.
Somebody, if you have a charger now.
Excuse
me?
Yeah.
Excuse me?
me?
My love, good afternoon. Do you have a Type-C charger by chance? Do please say yes.
Yeah, look like that.
First you're going to bag, I feel say you have it. No, I feel say you have it. Me pray for you find it.
Then to tell me that really go.
Alright, it's okay,
That
darling.
really gonna make them put me on a surgery and the mama come one time.
We don't want them much, we don't have a fat number.
No, but if me go there so, that's where.
Nobody in this whole place over time.
You have to meet this one, I remember that you know.
Yeah. Is what you have 16?
Samsung, everybody has the same charger now.
No.
Yes, that's a Type-C. Samsung uses Samsung mini.
Samsung use Type-C. So the iPhone Type-C and Samsung can. Oh yeah, I didn't know. You work
In
out?
Samsung, they've got Type-C.
You work? You go gym and stuff?
You know what I mean? Me not think you're a picture that you don't like me.
Let me look like him report to me. But last year can be 1 month ago.
I think in the beginning, like, but now you get over it. True.
So when I'm traveling and go somewhere,
Work on it.
stop. Yeah. So
Look
when
on
you
the
travel,
you follow
go
him? You can follow him.
Somebody have a tattoo just like that person.
Guys, I'm so how to
You know, see me, I can't touch you. Well, I can't you because you're so jealous. Well, I can't touch you. Can't touch. You know, say so much about you too. Well, you look nice the other day. I mean, like you looking at you got somebody with cash. Well, I don't get somebody with cash.
You still watching? Thank you. But why you don't subscribe yet? Click that red button below right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. Big up yourself. Thank you.